In this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio in Flixier in a simple and clean way. To get started, open your Flixier project and make sure your audio file is already imported into the library. If your audio is not available yet, you can right-click inside the media panel, choose the import option, click on Upload, and then locate the audio file on your computer to bring it into your project. Once the audio is visible in your library, you have two different ways to place it on the timeline. The quickest method is to click on the small plus icon located on the corner of the audio file, which will automatically place the audio at the topmost track of your timeline. If you ever need to remove it, you can simply right-click on the audio clip in the timeline and select Delete. If you want to place the audio on a specific track instead, you can click, drag, and drop the file directly onto the exact position in the timeline where you want it to play. After placing the audio, play the video to confirm that the sound is working correctly. You can also add music directly from Flixier's built-in audio library by clicking on the audio option from the left side of the screen, searching for the type of sound you want, such as nature or background music, and then dragging it into your timeline the same way. Once added, you can adjust the volume of the audio from the right-hand panel, and you can trim the clip by moving to the end of your video, clicking on the Cut option, and deleting any extra parts so that the audio fits perfectly with your visuals, and this is how you can add audio in Flixier.